Hey guys, I am Michael Symon. Here's a little pickling tips for you. So basic pickling liquid. A lot of people are making pickles these days. Pickles are very easy. You could use them to preserve. You could also just make a quick pickle for flavor. So if you're making a quick pickle, you don't have to worry about sanitizing the jar, all that thing, because you're not storing it at room temperature in your pantry. If you're making a quick pickle, you could make the pickle, put them in your fridge, and they're gonna last in your fridge for up to about 1 month. If you wanna make a true pickle, you wanna make sure that you use the sanitized jars, you seal them like manufacturer's instructions, and those could go in the cupboard for a year or more sometimes also. So here is a basic pickling liquid. Remember, pickling was invented to preserve food. So to preserve food, you need salt, sugar, and vinegar. So the first thing that we have is I just have your basic ratio, 2 cups of white wine vinegar. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Plain old tap water will do. Then a 1/2 cup of sugar, minimally 1 tablespoon of salt. You could put in more to taste if you prefer more, but you need about a tablespoon to preserve if you're looking for that preserved method. You bring this up to a simmer and you have pickling liquid. Now the beautiful thing about pickling liquid is you could add other flavors to it to influence the food of what you're pickling. Some things that I sometimes like to add, maybe some chili flakes, because I like things on the spicy side. Couple mustard seeds, never hurt anybody. You could throw some of those in there too. And I'm gonna put in some pink and green peppercorns just for some more flavor and a little bit of bite. So once you have your basic pickling liquid down, which is the vinegar, the water, the sugar, and the salt, you can put in different spices and flavors to make your pickling liquid your own. Happy pickling.